Hello friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing complete learning course on Wilcom software is continue, and in this video you will learn about slow Redraw. All over these previous topics has completed, we have completely learned these all topics. So in the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete course you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete video training learning course. So now let's start. As you know that we have completed the designing, only the traveling has left. We have to learn the traveling in the next videos, but in the previous videos almost we have learned everything about the designing. So in this video our topic is slow Redraw. Click on the view button and then in drop down menu you can see here there is a plugin or a button with the name of slow Redraw. Its shortcut is shift R. Click here. If you want to see that how the machine will make the design that you have created, so we can use this tool. But remember one thing, must remember that we cannot use this tool is if the true view is on. We must have turned off the true view. Then we will be able to use this tool. First of all, turn off the true view. Then this is the traveling one tool. We have to click here left. All the design will off. You will learn all these things in the next videos, all these things about traveling. So we have to click here left. If you will click here right, all the design will show. You can see here, remove the image, press 0 button. If I will click here left, all the design show off, and if I will click on right, all the design will show on. So we have to click here left. And show off all the design. You will learn all these things in the next videos, and you will learn about the purposes of all these topics. So now we have to see that how the machine will make the design. Remember, here I am only telling you about this tool, but in this video the design we have not set the traveling of these designs. So here the machine will make the design. You only have to know about the tools function, but in the next video when we will make the design, you will properly learn that what is the purpose of this tool. So now click here on view button and click on the slow Redraw button, or simply press shift R from your keyboard. So now you can see that all these options are visible. From here you have to choose the speed, that in what type of speed you want to show the design. For example, I choose here 20 ss. Now click on the go button or start button. So you can see that machine is making the design. Now I am increasing its speed because it's I am increasing more. more, and more. Less some speed. So you are saying that in this way the machine will make the design. So now it has completed. Now uh, minimize them. For example, now we will apply this tool on this design. Turn off the preview. You can also turn off the show outlines and show needle points, but uh, at least you must have turned off the true view, otherwise you cannot use this tool. So and you have to click here left. If you will click here right, so you can see that all the design has already displayed. So we have to click here left and show off all the design. Now press shift or the slow redraw option has came. Now choose the speed, that in what type of speed you want to show your design. Now click on start button. I am increasing the speed of machine. So it has completed. So that is the function of this tool. Our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video, and for all type of new updates you can visit our website and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also like our Facebook page. So inshallah, we will meet again in the next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.